Here we are at the dirty Tundra. Today we're going to be changing out the license plate lights and maybe the top bed lights. And this is what I did. If you check my other video, I just made those. I just put them on. Very easy and very nice looking. They really just stand out. So we're going to be changing these out. Alright, and here's the license plate lights. One of them's out. We're going to replace both because if they're on the same circuit, it's a really bad idea just to change out one, and especially whenever I'm using LED for one and you know, the other one being stock. So we're just going to change them both out. Probably the easiest light you'll ever take out. So I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to go up under, and right there is the connector. So you go up under, find it, jiggle it, make sure you're there, and then just turn to the counterclockwise here, and bulb is out. These take the 168. I do apologize, I did not have the super steady on, so you probably was moving all kinds of crazy, but here's the old one. These literally just pull straight out. You know, they're that type right there. They pull straight out of the harness. Here's the new one. Look at the difference. So here's the harness. It just plugs right into that sucker. And I can't do it with one hand, so I apologize. There you go, right there. Then you just put it back up in there, turn it clockwise, and it'll snap itself in. These can be found at any AutoZone. I bought mine at Walmart. I believe they're like 50 cents cheaper at Walmart. I'll just do the same thing to the other so you can see it. How it works. We're just gonna go right, like I'm using the phone to guide myself. There we go, right in there. Push firmly. Get them straight actually. Push firmly. Ta-ting, cha-ching, whatever. This is the hard part, to getting it up in there. I can't see, so there's a big tube here that's part of the strength. Now for this beast. Alright, bear with me with the wind here, but I only got two 921s, and I believe even the brake light takes it, so that sucks, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna remove all the screws, and I'll probably lose one. Goofy kids playing in the... There we go, and we'll just pull it, break the seal. Hopefully I don't have to re-seal it. Oh, they are all the same. Dang it. Oh well. It looks like these just pull straight out just like the other ones. Grabs firmly and pull straight back. Ta-da! Here's the difference. Well, that's not wanting to focus, is it? Oh well. That's so goofy looking. Careful not to mess with this. There we go. Guess that's in. I'll be right back. Yeah, that's it. Here, we'll put it back on, I guess. Fits really good. Still trying to play. It's pretty nice out. Nicer than it has been. Probably should use a hand screwdriver. Yeah. There you guys have it. It's that easy. Hey, hold my pop. Watch.